Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I make videos on previews and also about bits and pieces in my life. So yeah, it's all about happiness. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Review videos are very difficult to make because I need to test them thoroughly before taking up it and also presenting it to you guys. Whenever I get time, I do invest my time in painting. So yeah, today I'll be presenting you all the paintings which I have currently with me and I have done, and most of them are oil paintings. So yeah, let's get started. So today's video, as you have already got from the title, is about my paintings. So the first and foremost painting which I made after joining office is this one. So this is an oil painting and I have done it in an oil canvas or oil paper, as you could see. I have not framed it yet and it's my first oil painting. I've kept it till now and I really like this. Is a steel painting and I like the shadows which I've created, and I was not a pro at it when I started. I am still not a pro, by the way, but yeah, I do take an effort to make all my paintings. So this was the first one, and second painting which I made is this one, and this is very close to my heart. This took around like 3 months to complete because I was working at that time and I had to manage, like after office hours I used to come back to my home and paint it. So yeah, it took me quite some time because oil paintings need quite a lot of time. You need to dry it up before like going to the second step of oil painting. So yeah, this is very close to my heart and I love it absolutely. I think anybody who has seen this one has appreciated me, and yeah, I feel inspired by seeing this. Now the third painting tasted my patience. This is the one which I made and it took a lot of time to make this nuts over here. So yeah, it took quite some time. This is also close to my heart. Like each of the paintings takes quite a lot of time, so yeah, each of them is close to my heart. Now this is the most recent one which I painted. Not the most recent one was a leaves painting which I did already, and there's a tutorial of that in my channel. So this is the one which I made with a stencil. So this is like oil cardboard, and over that I had put a marriage invitation letter as a stencil and used that as a stencil and then made it out, and it came out quite well, and I just use it as a decor piece. Now another one which I love is this one. This is like, I have kept it in a frame. This frame was gifted to me with some other things, but I just put my painting over it, and this is a watercolor one, and this was made in some half an hour because watercolor hardly takes time and you need to complete watercolor as soon as possible. So this was the one made by me, and yeah, I love it because it's very simple. It took me hardly half an hour to complete this painting. Now the next painting which I have is the ultimate showpiece in my house. You can say that because it's like quite bright, it attracts the people, and most of them think that it is bought from outside, but actually I have made it myself, and this even took quite some time to finish because yeah, all these paintings have been made after I joined work. So yeah, before work or like in school, whatever I have made, I have those still, but I don't have the paintings with me, but I do have sketches. So if you want me to do a video on that, please leave a comment down below and I'll definitely make it for you guys. Now the last painting which I made recently on my channel is this one, and I use each of my paintings as a decor piece in my house because I love decorating my paintings and I don't want to invest more in decor items for my home. So yeah, this is the one, and I use this absolutely because I like it and I like how it came out. It's very simple and you could also do it, try it yourself at home. So yeah, that was overall all my paintings which I wanted to show you guys, and if you love this video or like it, please do like, and also please do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then,